Okay, dear student, our next topic is real number, the most important topic of the mathematics, that is real number. Symbolically, we can write Q union, Q axis, Q dash, or Q prime. Here we have focused two things. Q represent rational number and Q dash या Q axis represent irrational number. Where U represent union. What means union? Union means to combine. Union means to combine. It means that in real number we have to combine rational numbers and irrational numbers. So we can easily define as real number. Union of rational and irrational number is called a real number. Yeah, we can define as combination of rational and irrational numbers are called a real number. Yani, real number is the combination of rational and irrational number. So now we have to discuss what is a real number. One thing keep in your mind. One is real number, a rational number, and other is rational expression. There is difference between rational expression and irrational number. Rational number, here we have to focus numbers, but here we have to focus expression, algebraic expression. So there is difference between real number, rational numbers and rational expression. What is rational number? All those numbers which can be written in form of P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0. All those numbers which can be written in form of P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0, are called rational number. Those numbers which can be written in form of P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0, are called rational number. So dear student, here we have two main important points, that is P by Q and where Q is not equal to 0. It means that rational number depend on these two factors that must be in P by Q form, and the second one is where Q is not equal to 0. So all the sets that are natural number, whole number, we have already discussed. Even number, odd number, prime number, composite number, and so on. जैसे 1, 3 and so on, 0, 1, 2 and so on, 2, 4, 6 and so on, and 1, 3, 5 and so on, 2, 5, 7 and so on, 4, 6, 8 and so on. All these are rational number. Why? Why these are rational number? Because all these elements of these sets can be written in form of P by Q. If I take 3, so जैसे कि हम जानते हैं कि इसके नीचे ऑलरेडी 1 होता है, सो ये कंसीडर्ड P को करता है, ये Q को करता है. सो it is already in P by Q form. So it means it follow the one conditions of rational number. The second conditions where Q will be not equal to 0. If we see that is 1 is not equal to 0. So according to the definition of rational number, those number which can be written in form of P by Q and where Q is not equal to 0. So according to the definition, all these elements follow these two main conditions of the rational number. That's why all these are rational number. 0 is also rational number because it also follow the conditions. 0 by 1, it is defined, but 1 by 0 is undefined. We can write 0 by 1, but we can't write 1 by 0 because 0 by 1 is equal to 0, but 1 by 0 is undefined. So 0 is also rational number because it follow the both condition of rational number. इसके अलावा all perfect square numbers, perfect square number या perfect square roots like under root 1, under root 4, under root 9, under root 16, under root 25 and so on. These are also rational number. All perfect square roots are also rational number because when we take under root 4, that is equal to plus minus 2. Plus minus 2, yani if we take 2, it follow the both condition of rational number, yani it is in P by Q form and where Q is not equal to 0. So each and every perfect square numbers are also rational numbers. And the other most important thing is terminating, non-terminating and non-terminating recurring या repeating, non-terminating recurring या repeating, like 2 by 3 and 2 by like 2 by 3 is non-repeating recurring. Just if we divide 2 by 3, so what? 3 6 are 18, 2 again 3 6 are 18, 3 6 are 18. So this is called non-terminating recurring. What is non-terminating recurring? This is called non-terminating recurring or non-terminating repeated. This is called integral part and this is called fractional part. अब पॉइंट के बाद अगर एक डिजिट या दो डिजिट या तीन डिजिट रिपीट हो रहे हो तो हम इसको कहते हैं non-terminating recurring. Just 1 1 2 1 2 1 2 इसको हम लिखेंगे 0.6 के ऊपर बार, इसको हम लिखेंगे 0.12 दोनों के ऊपर बार because both numbers are repeated. Sometime 3 digits repeat होते हैं जैसे कि 2.123 123 123 and so on. इसको हम लिखेंगे 2.123 as in the 3 digits has been repeated. So तीनों के ऊपर बार आएगा. It is also non-terminating repeating. All non-terminating repeating are also rational number. All terminating are also rational number. So the other, now we have discussed irrational number. What are irrational number? बाज़ औक़ात ये तो हमें पता है कि जब किसी लफ्ज़ के स्टार्ट में आई आर या आई एम या आई एन लगाया जाता है तो वो उसका अपोजिट बन जाता है। रेशनल एंड इर्रेशनल नंबर्स आर अपोजिट टू ईच अदर। रेशनल्स कैन बी रिटन इन फॉर्म ऑफ पी बाय क्यू, but irrational number cannot be written in form of p by q. So according to definition we can define more easily. So all those numbers which can be written in form of p by q are rational, but all those numbers which cannot be written in form of p by q, यानी जिसको हम p by q फॉर्म में नहीं लिख सकते, वो सारे क्या हैं? irrational numbers हैं। जैसे कि pi is famous irrational numbers whose value is 22/7। इसको हम 3.14 लिखते हैं, but basically it is 3.141528 and so on। It means that this is non-terminating, but this is non-terminating, non-repeating. So non-terminating, non-repeated is also irrational number. That's why pi is irrational number. अगर हम ये 22/7 लेते हैं, so 22/7 is rational, but if we take 3.14, so it is again irrational because it is not easily converted into the common fractions. So pi is irrational number. All perfect square are rational, but imperfect square, the number irrational number, here we have defined what is the difference between rational and irrational number। ये तो ऑलरेडी हमें इंग्लिश में भी पता है कि जब बाज़ औक़ात किसी लफ्ज़ के स्टार्ट में आई आर या आई एम या आई एन लगाया जाता है तो उसका अपोजिट बन जाता है। सो रेशनल एंड इर्रेशनल आर अपोजिट टू ईच अदर। रेशनल्स वी हैव डिफाइंड आर दोज नंबर व्हिच कैन बी रिटन इन फॉर्म ऑफ p by q आर रेशनल, but we can easily define now all those number which cannot be written in form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0 are called irrational number. Like this, pi is a famous irrational number whose value is 22/7. If we 22 divided by 7, so this is 3.14 and 141528 and so on. So here we have to see that pi is a Greek letter. If we take pi is irrational number, but if we take its value 22/7, it is rational number. Again 3.14, it is non-terminating, non-repeating. So non-terminating, repeating are rational, but non-terminating, non-repeating are irrational numbers. So 3.141528 again is a irrational number. So all perfect square roots, that is under root 1, under root 4, under root 9, under root 16, under root 25 and so on, all perfect square root are rational, but imperfect square root, the number which are missing in the given numbers, that is under root 2, under root 3, under root 5, under root 6, under root 7 and so on, are the irrational number. So these are irrational number and these are rational number. So the basic thing, what is the real number? Real number एक ऐसा सेट होता है जिसमें rational भी available हो, irrational भी available हो। It means कि according to the definition, the union means to combine या the combination, यानी the union of rational and irrational number is called real number, या the combination of rational and irrational number is called real number. Now we have to combine rational and irrational number. कुछ numbers मैं rational लिख दूंगा, जैसे 4/5, 3/2, these are 1/6 and so on, these are rational. अब कुछ इसमें से मैं irrational डालूंगा, जैसे पाई हो गया, under root 2 हो गया, under root 7 हो गया, अगेन अगर हम 3 लेते हैं, 4 लेते हैं, 5 लेते हैं, so these are rational number because 3 4 5 belong to the natural number. So this is a set. सिर्फ ये नहीं है, और भी बहुत सारे नंबर्स हो सकते हैं. Here 4/5 is rational number because it is in form of p by q where q is not equal to 0. 3/2 is rational number because it is in form of p by q and where 2 is not equal to 0, it means q is not equal to 0. 1/6 is rational. Similarly 5 is irrational, under root 2 is irrational, under root 7 is irrational. Again 3 is rational number because it may be in form of p by q. 4 is also rational and 5 is also rational number. We have combined rational and irrational number in the same set. So ऐसा एक सेट जिसमें रेशनल भी अवेलेबल हो, इरेशनल भी अवेलेबल हो, उसको हम रियल नंबर का सेट कहते हैं. यानी the set in which rational and irrational both are available is called real number. Okay dear student, उम्मीद है कि आज हमने जो डिस्कस किया रेशनल नंबर, इरेशनल नंबर यानी रियल नंबर, वो आपको समझ आ चुकी होगी. हमने कोशिश की है कि आसान से आसान वर्ड्स में, आसान से आसान एग्जांपल के साथ इसको मैं डिलीवर करता जाऊं. तो इंशाल्लाह उम्मीद करता हूं कि आपको रियल नंबर का कंसेप्ट थोड़ा बहुत क्लियर हो चुका होगा. थैंक यू.